Hello there, I'm Dr. Deuk, CEO and founder at the Deuk Spine Institute here in Orlando, Florida. I'm with one of my patients who traveled from Mississippi to Deuk Spine Institute to have the Deuk laser disc repair done. Now, you may recognize him because 3 months ago he actually had the Deuk laser disc repair done and had a great result, right?
Yeah.
How did you do after that surgery?
Surgery went well for probably like a month and a half, and then I started having some complications and it re-herniated. Really don't know the cause. It could have been the way I slept, but Dr. Deuk, he redone it for me. Everything went well again.
That's right. So you contacted me saying, hey, I'm starting to get those symptoms back in my left arm again that I had before the surgery, and we ordered you an MRI.
That's right.
And sure enough, it showed that you re-herniated a big herniation at C5-6 on the left side. How are you doing today, right after your surgery?
Well, again, like last time, I can tell that the pressure's completely gone. Just the relief of the pain is gone again. You know, before I had the tingling and the numbness and all the pain, everything's gone.
That's all gone?
Yeah, that's pretty much gone. So.
All right. Well, we basically did the same surgery over again, and we found, you can see the video right here, inside there were some large pieces of herniation. You had about 5 pieces of herniation that I took out of there, and you could see it right here in the surgery video. And it went very well. We didn't have any complications. This was a redo, Deuk laser disc repair for a recurrent disc herniation. And where are you headed today?
I'm headed back home to Mississippi.
Awesome. All right, are you satisfied with the care you got here?
Yeah, the integrity and the satisfaction, everything went great. Dr. Deuk, you know, he done everything that he should for me. So, you know, I feel like everything went well.
Yeah. Well, there's nothing you could do about the re-herniation, but you had it, we diagnosed it right away, and we got it fixed for you right away.
Yep.
All right.
I appreciate it.
Let's not re-herniate again.
I'm going to try my best not to.
All right, very good.
All right,
Safe travels.